For the last 28 years, members of Auckland's Aotearoa Latin American Community have enriched Tāmaki Makaurau and Kirikiriroa with their own brand of cross-cultural community action. They are strong supporters of tino rangatiratanga. Drawing on their backgrounds as artists, filmmakers, writers, and political thinkers, ALEC work alongside many different communities on a variety of projects.
I started in Onehunga in 1994. I was a refugee once, and I came to Aotearoa in the early 80s. I realized that New Zealand didn't have support for those who experience violent experiences in the reason for exile. That was the initial reason, and the need for creating something that could help our community to find their own answers. We have now a place in the social services map of Aotearoa, and it's a privilege. We advocate in behalf of the community. We walk alongside people through the journeys because it's our journey too.